I'm using sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil reduces signs of aging. It's very lightweight and absorbs into the skin really easily. The next oil I'm using is Rosehip oil, and Rosehip oil is really amazing for the skin. It helps with skin regeneration. It helps with eliminating wrinkles on the skin. I'm using geranium essential oil, and I always advise to use essential oil at about 1 to 2% dilution. Geranium essential oil is really amazing. The smell is heavenly. The smell is really nice, and I don't regret using geranium essential oil. It's one of my staples. Last, lavender buds are really great. They also make my oil look a little bit more fancy, and I really like the way they smell too. Here you can see how the oil absorbs into my skin really easily. It's glowing already, but it's not too greasy, and this is exactly what I was going for. I hope you enjoyed the oil.